Hey guys, in this video we're going to be introducing you to a new service that we're providing at WA. These are the Aprés Gel X extensions, and these are extensions that are really safe for your nails. You can soak them off just as you would a gel or shellac polish, and they're really simple to apply, and we're going to show you exactly how we apply them right now. Firstly, you just want to measure up all of the tips and make sure that they fit onto the nail perfectly and they're not too wide. If they're too wide, they're going to be quite uncomfortable and feel tight on your nail. You can always file down the tips to make sure that they're the right shape and size for your nail, but if not, then just use them as they are if they fit perfectly already. Once you've measured out all of your tips, you can lay them to one side for a moment, and we're just going to apply the gel bonder to all of our nails. These nails are already prepped with our cuticle work and filing and buffing already done. So now we're just using this small brush that comes in the kit to apply the gel bonder to all of our nails just in a thin layer and cure that under the UV light for 30 seconds. Once you've applied that layer to the nails and cured it, you can then start to apply your tips to the nails, and these are full cover tips that cover the entire nail bed, not just the tip area like normal plastic tips you would do with acrylic or gel extensions. So these go all the way to the cuticle area, and you just want to apply a bit more of the gel bonder onto the tip beforehand and then press that firmly down onto the nail, and while you're holding it down you want to cure it with this mini LED light. Once that has been cured, that tip is now secured onto your nail, just as easy as that. The best thing about this specific type of nail extension is that you can remove it so easily without causing any damage to your natural nails. They just soak off like you would a normal gel or shellac polish, like I said before. So you can just soak them in foil with acetone for about 10 minutes and they will just simply melt away, and you can just push it off with a cuticle pusher just as you would with a gel polish, which is amazing. These extensions are also really thin, so they look like your natural nails once they're painted, so no one will even know that you're wearing extensions in the first place. Once you've cured the tips to all of your nails, you can begin to change the length using clippers or a file. So here we're just going to trim away the sides so we can get a more almond rounded shape. And you just want to be careful when you're doing this because the nails can shatter as they are made of plastic. So you just want to trim small sections at a time just so you don't crack the tips. Once you've trimmed away the edges, you can use a file to shape the rest of the nail and give you a nice smooth edge. Aprés do make different shape tips that you can buy, but we only have the square ones at the moment, but this is good because you can then change the shape just according to whatever mood you're in or whatever your client is asking for. So in this particular occasion we're having an almond nail, so we're trimming the sides and filing the rest of the nail to shape. Once you're happy with the length and shape, you can also run the file over the surface of the tip just to make sure any polishes that you apply on top are going to adhere to the tips. Next, you just want to brush away any dust on the hands and nails, and then you can also use a cotton pad with gel cleanser or alcohol just to get rid of any surface oils or dirt on the nail. And that is how you apply the Aprés Gel X extensions. If you're interested in having this treatment done, let us know in the comments below. This service should be available to book in at WA Nails by the 1st of March, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!